Creatives. Adobe just dropped a game changer. The all-new Photoshop mobile app. Say goodbye to basic edits and hello to desktop-level power in your pocket. Think generative AI magic, pro tools like layers and masks, and seamless cross-device workflows. Whether you're a social media guru or a design pro, this app bridges the gap between quick tweaks and masterpiece creations. But wait, is it really worth the subscription? And how does it stack up against Photoshop Express? We're diving deep into the features, pricing, and why this could revolutionize your daily creative life. Let's unlock your phone's full potential. Hit play now. Welcome back to Daily Life, your daily dose of tech hacks, creative tips, and the tools shaping how we live, work, and create. Today, we're exploring Adobe's new Photoshop mobile app, the powerhouse that's blurring the lines between pro design and on-the-go editing. Let's dive in. Adobe has released a powerful new Photoshop mobile app that includes many of the design, editing, and generative AI tools found on the desktop version. The app integrates with Photoshop on the web to allow creatives to work on projects across multiple devices and is globally available today on iPhone, with Android coming later this year, according to Adobe. A simplified version of the popular editing software called Photoshop Express has been available on mobile devices since 2010, but Adobe says the new app is more powerful and provides a broader range of recognizable Photoshop capabilities. The two apps share some common features, including tools for resizing, masking, contrast saturation adjustments, and removing objects or blemishes. But while Photoshop Express is similar to more typical mobile editing apps like PixArt and Facetune, the new Photoshop app seems closer to the desktop experience. The free version gives users access to many Photoshop editing tools, including the spot healing brush, tap select, layers, selections, masks, and features for compositing and blending images together. It also provides Adobe stock assets, directly integrates with Creative Cloud apps like Adobe Express, Lightroom, and Fresco, and includes Adobe's Firefly-powered Generative Fill and Generative Expand AI tools. Other Photoshop features like Object Select, Magic Wand, Content-Aware Fill, Clone Stamp, and the Remove tool are locked behind a $7.99 monthly or $69.99 annual subscription. This premium Photoshop mobile and web plan also includes light, dark adjustment options, advanced blend modes for controlling transparency, color effects, styles, and integration with Photoshop on the web, alongside access to generate similar and reference image on the web-based platform. All users who are already subscribed to a paid Photoshop plan will gain premium access to Photoshop on mobile. Adobe hasn't mentioned if it has anything in store for Photoshop Express, which currently still provides a more affordable $4.99 monthly premium tier subscription. It'll be confusing if Adobe plans to support both apps simultaneously, especially as it also has another similarly named editing platform called Adobe Express available on mobile. Rebooting Photoshop on mobile is a welcome and unsurprising move, however. Photoshop Express, while useful for quick edits and throwing together social media graphics, never truly felt like Photoshop. I will end today's video here. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. If you're excited to level up your mobile creativity, smash that like button and subscribe for more daily life hacks. Got questions? Drop them below. We'll answer. See you tomorrow.